filming. Hi guys, today we're on the right, we're going to catch some absolute whoppers. I'm not doing the knee thing today because I've really hurt them. Bye guys!
Ted has got a American bass glide bait that weighs about 100 gram and is about 7 inches. Really? So yeah, we're going to see if that can provide some fish. I'm on the bollock trout. Jake's on some little... Oh! The net's slightly tangled, hold on.
Hardly hooked. He's greedy with that. He's only a young buck. Oh, he's double hooked.
Finally got it unhooked. Was a faff, letting him rest. Seems pretty lively though.
Yeah. First, no, that's not first fight. Is that my second or third of the season?
Not too sure, to be honest.
Come on, boss. This is my third.
Lively little fella.
Yeah, he's on.
Alright. I'll get the picture on my phone and keep filming. Oh wow. Wow, what is this?
Only a little one.
Buddy.
Ooh, you're gooey. Yeah, I'm still yet to catch a fucking pike.
Yeah, Ted, what were you saying about us not catching anything? In fact, that means the pike's on Ted, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Ted, he's coming towards you. Ted's got to get the pikes now.
If I catch this pike, yeah.
Anyone want to see some slimy bream I caught last night? Not last night, night before.
This guy fucking breams on it over.
You know,
Disgusting.
I probably shouldn't wash him down in the canal.
Right. Well done, pal.
First fish of the day.
Yeah, Jake, it's dead clear. It's not that bad.
Also, I think I got a bite.
Oh, that's good.
I've had a bite.
You've had a fish, mate.
I've had a fish and a bite here. I look like a mong because I look like I don't know how to wear a jacket properly.
Yeah, because the one sleeve.
Yeah. I promise you I do. I promise you I don't wear a fucking jacket.
Well, first time using the lure, is it? And then you catch?
Unreal. Real animal.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Oh, good. Come on, 38.
Let's see if I can catch a massive pike. I doubt it. Oh, got it slippy. A nice big river pike would be nice. Ow! Just been hit in the face with the freaking net handle. It's, yeah. The only problem is the depth, because it's like a foot deep. I got a pike literally just where my rod tip is, dead baiting. Last winter, I think.
Five barges now. 5 barges have stayed to this water.
I catch no fish and I get no women.
You probably spend that much on fishing gear not to catch anything, mate.
Okay, so there's been some wagers because we're going to the pub, and if Ted doesn't catch a pike by the time we got to the pub, he owes Jake a pint. However, if he catches a £7 pike. We all owe him a pint. So you just put it in the net, you weigh it with the net, and then you take the weight of the net off. Right. YouTube, this is why I am prime Jeremy Wade. Ted, if you don't take a bite out of it.
I ain't got a drink. Oh, nah, that's crazy.
All over him.
That's just not coming off though, is it?
It will eventually.
Oh, look at the reel. Oh, thank God. Thank the Lord. What is that orange thing?
T-shirt or something.
Oh, fucking hell. Where the fuck?
Oh, so you think that's fine sun on the other? Yeah, we can't get that. No way.
Let's turn back, Penfold.
This one fucking.
Oh, can I do more something? Dad?
What?
Oh, wait, there's electrics down there. Do it down. Wow.
Oh yes.
What the hell?
Don't ask silly questions.
No,
you don't know the answer to.
Oh, fuck.
Don't ask silly questions. This is all just a part of fishing. It's all just a part of it. Just like that. Bada bing.
Bada boom. Who the fuck's Martin?
Martin's the one with massive farm car.
Oh. Oh, is it?
Say I if you want to go to the river.
Yeah, sorry Ted, it's pub time.
Is that from the... But it looks very fenced off, to be honest, mate. And there's a lot of cows.
There
and
isn't.
calves in there. What? There's cows and calves in there.
It's blue.
That might be poison. Yeah, I think it was poisonous, mate.
Eat it out and see what happens.
You start seeing Mario.
It might be a bubblegum flavour.
Might be a Goomba.
What's wrong? Touch my nose, I might die.
Oh no.
You know, 98% of mushrooms are edible. Oh, you're such a... Fuck you. Fuck you. Look at that hole. I just know there's crayfish in there.
I might just get with a give it like £20 a week to get the crap if she just stop.
Interesting, yeah, that's going in the video.
What, are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Tim Cheese!
Fish on. No, it's not. Guys, I think I've caught a dead body. Come here.
Oh, I've got to reach so far. Have I told you legs? Root bear! Did you get it?
Fucking foul.
What's good, guys? So today we have caught nothing. Shut up, Jake. Okay, we're gonna cast over at that stump. Oh, beautiful. This is how you catch all the what. That does not sound good.
Cast again.
Yo, get the fuck off.
You broke your reel. Sounds it.
I don't know. Watch out. All I was doing was that. Ooh. Ah! Oh, sugar. See, this river is absolutely beautiful. Oh, Woody's going in the water again. Put my sunnies on for this. I've got a new bait caster coming soon, which I'm quite... Well, I was waiting for it this morning, but it took too bloody long, so I couldn't be arsed. So I just come out with a Timu one again. Got my new lure on though, at least. Nice little glob bait. I don't know if you can see it. It just floats a bit. Oh, the floats or sinks. Gets really annoying.
Right, and we're back after a quick lunch break, as you will. We're all back pike fishing, and Ted has realised after a few pints to put a new rig on. Giant spoon, but then if you want to add to that, you've got that much.
8 centimetres of mono.
I'd say that's an easy 150 millimetres of distance between the spoon and the hook.
Oh, that was cold, that was it.
And it's not even trace, it's £20 mono. So if he does get a pike, it's gone. And he has indeed hooked me with it, actually.
That was your fault.
No, you hooked me with it round the back of the leg, so
They want to see the test.
let's see the cast. That was absolutely mint, mate.
I get a redo.
And as per, I have got on a crankbait with a good rattle in there, as well as it being jointed. You haven't?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Snagged in with each other. Do you want to tell them what the rig's made for?
So this is from Norwegian.
It's from Plymouth.
It's made for flatfish.
Such as flounder.
No, because it also says on it that it can catch pike. So we'll give it a go.
Flounder. How bad's the backlash?
It just all went like that.
Okay, Ted's been ever so kind to get my lure back. We did knock on the barge, no one answered, so we went to the side of the barge, knocked on. Well, Ted knocked on the side of the barge, and the people answered, and they were surprisingly very nice about it, considering the lure got caught on their barge. But they were perfectly fine about it, so we've got it back now. And the sun is setting, so we're hoping that will bring us some pike. But God knows. You can never tell when pike fishing. Well, I want to see Ted's cast. Come on, Ted, get a cast in the... That went a whole 10 yards.
10 centimetres shallow.
I'm on. Fish on.
Do you want to end up in
I'm
there?
going to put one of my Timu lures on and just fuck about with it.
Right, I'll go back on the canal now. unboxing video now.
Yeah, no problem.
What?
Want to get Arapanis?
I'll have a red, please.
Let's have a look at these laws. Hold on.
Timu. Pike is calling. I ain't biting your teeth.
I ain't biting your
Timu
laws. Yeah, baby mama, let me whisper in your ear. Let me some.
Is that the bow technique working?
That's there. What law is this? The perch?